All right, guys, welcome to the Thursday Directions. We actually finished our movie a little bit earlier yesterday, so we get to actually take the quiz today. So you'll have it here. Um, 14 questions, so not very long. Just covering the basics that you got from the readings, and obviously the different ed puzzles and videos that we've watched throughout the past couple of days. So you'll have that. It's 14 questions, all multiple choice. For you online kids, just take it some point today before 3. So, you have a little more time. For the in-class kids, we'll take it obviously for our scheduled hour. But that's it. There'll be a little reading that goes up here next. I just want to get this video out here before the day actually got started. But there'll be a little CRT after this on Western Christianity, kind of moving into our new unit, which is like, I would say like the middle into the Dark Ages here. We're about to get into the Crusades, Knights, kind of feudal Europe is what it's actually called. But so we'll be doing that too. So I'll give you a little CRT for that. Taking us going out for the quiz. All right. Talk to you guys later.